Good to know Friday lang kasi masyado nila akong ginajudge. Sinasam nila ako kasi...
Hindi na yan.
Kasi kahapon ko pa kasi sinishare sa kanila yung bagong release ng Vans na Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay. So ayan guys sobrang interesting ng pair na to for me. Being sneakerhead, diba? For the longest time, nung panahon pa ng Yeezy, Jordans, kasi nauuso yung mga camping. Yung magka-camping, pipila ka. So parang doon ako nasanay, doon ako namulat sa sneaker game. Sobrang OG and shoutout sa mga kasama ko sa pila. Dati yan, sila Kuya Was Good. Tapos, yung iba pa nating mga tropa, balik pumipila kami so that we can get the releases. And then we do resell. And that's really the game before that was hustling and everything. And nawala na yun. Pero pansin nyo ngayon, hindi na masyadong pinipilan ng Jordan, Yeezy for the longest time, wala na rin Yeezy eh. Nag-release na ngayon, nag-release ng Off-White na Jordan 1, yung Virgil.
Virgil na, white
Hindi siya pinilahan tulad ng before, even the Kobe's, hindi na siya ganun. Which is good and all, pero nakakamiss din kasi minsan eh. And si Vans lang pala makakapagpabalik ng culture na yon. And I've seen videos in the US, in New York, na pinipilahan yung Vans na Satoshi Nakamoto. Ngayon, if you think about it, Vans, hindi naman ganun ka high profile and everything, di ba? But actually, this pair, for me it's very interesting, it's one of a kind. Kasi aside from the fact na, may kasi ako sa ganun style talaga bro eh, natuwa ako kasi nati-tear away siya. Ito yung picture niya. Tapos, ito kami yung pakita mo yung picture ng pag na-tear away, eh no? Lumalabas yung style.
Ang ganda nito!
Ang ganda. Tapos kung doon, alam niyo ba na si Satoshi Nakamoto guys, if you're familiar with Bitcoin, siya yung infamous name of the founder na nag-start ng Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto.
One
So
of the or
he is the founder, and mysterious kasi this name Satoshi Nakamoto is not really a person. We don't know who this person really is.
Okay.
It's a code name. It's a name of the founder of Bitcoin who holds the richest, who holds the most shares in Bitcoin.
So are you saying na hindi si Satoshi, tama ba?
Satoshi Nakamoto.
Satoshi Nakamoto, yun ang design mismo ng collab na to.
Satoshi Nakamoto is not really, or we don't know whether there's a real person with that name. It's a code name. It's the name of the founder of Bitcoin. So someone used this name to make a styling or
dedicated for that person.
yes, company that does collab. I mean, ngayon nag-collab na nga sila sa Vans. Pero what's interesting is that the reason why they made this brand, Satoshi Nakamoto, what it stands for? It stands for disrupting the norm. Kaya nga 'di ba yung Bitcoin it disrupted the financial ecosystem. So parang the style of Satoshi Nakamoto promotes individuality and uniqueness, that believing in your own style to disrupt what's the normal way, what's the normal fashion. And true enough, aside from disrupting the Bitcoin and financial world, this release of Vans Satoshi Nakamoto disrupted the sneaker scene globally, wherein may mga police na ulit. Masaya pero magulo pero masaya. May mga pila na ulit and all that. It feels like we're going back to the sneaker hype. To me, it means so much. That's why medyo pricey yung pair, pero I might get myself one of these pairs.
Uy, delikado yun ha, pag sinabi ni Nino.
I might lang naman pinag-iisipan ko, medyo mahal pero worth it naman siguro. Pero yun lang naman, good to know Friday.
Let's go.